Namaste students. In electrochemistry unit, I complete 2-3 topics earlier. First is the electrochemical cell, second is the Nernst equation, relation of delta E naught with Gibbs free energy change or with equilibrium constant. Now, all these topics are very important for board exam and your competition exam. Now, I explaining you conductance of electrolytic solution. Conductance of electrolytic solution. Before this topic, you know the substance are of 3 type: conductors, semiconductors and insulators. You know all these 3 words. Insulators, those which cannot conduct electricity like glass, plastics, wax. Semiconductors, in normal temperature they cannot conduct electricity, but when we give heat or temperature they can conduct electricity like silicon, germanium, all are these the semiconductors. And conductors are those substance which can conduct heat and electricity. I gave 2 example here, NaCl and iron. Both are same? क्या दोनों सेम है और any difference? There are the difference. NaCl is made up of ions, Na plus and Cl minus, while iron is a metal. All atom are same. Iron, copper, silver, these are the conductors, but these are the metallic conductors. So conductors are further divided in 2 parts: metallic conductors and electrolytic conductors. Metallic conductors, those conductors which are formed by same type of atom like iron, copper, nickel. And electrolytic conductors are those conductors which are made up of ions, cations and anions. At solid state they cannot conduct electricity, but when these are dissolved in water or in molten state they can conduct electricity. These are known as electrolytic conductors. We describe it one by one. First, I am taking metallic conductors. I already told you metallic conductors are those conductors in which metals are made up of same type of atom. जब सेम टाइप के एटम है तो बच्चों कैसे कंडक्ट कर रही होगी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी? इन दिस इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इज कंडक्ट ड्यू टू फ्लो ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन. ड्यू टू फ्लो ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन. सारे एटम एक जैसे हैं, बट यू नो द वर्ड आयनाइजेशन पोटेंशियल. The last electron, the last valence shell electron can be easily removed in the whole metal. So when last electron removed from the valence shell of a metal, then it is converted to positive and electron surrounded to this positive ion. This is known as kernel here, word kernel. इट मीन्स जो पॉजिटिव आयन है वो इलेक्ट्रॉन के सी में एम्बेडेड टाइप रहता है. इसको इलेक्ट्रॉन सी मॉडल भी कहते हैं. क्या है इसके अंदर? जिस एटम में से इलेक्ट्रॉन आउटर मोस्ट शेल से निकल गया है तो इसके अंदर जो बाकी का हिस्सा हो गया वो पॉजिटिव हो गया. इट इज नोन एज कर्नेल. एंड इलेक्ट्रॉन के वो चारों तरफ से उस पॉजिटिव को घेरे हुए है. इट इज नोन एज इलेक्ट्रॉन सी मॉडल ऑल्सो इट इज कॉल्ड. इसका मतलब इसमें इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्री स्टेट में जैसे आपने इसमें हीट या इलेक्ट्रिसिटी सप्लाई की, इलेक्ट्रॉन एक डायरेक्शन से दूसरी डायरेक्शन में मूव करेंगे. सो इजीली इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कैन पास. तो किस वजह से इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पास हो रही है? ड्यू टू फ्लो ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन. कौन कौन सी चीज़ें इसको इफेक्ट करेंगी? पहला है नेचर एंड सब्सटेंस ऑफ मेटल. यू नो सिल्वर को कहते हैं हाईएस्ट कंडक्टिविटी है, उसकी नेचर पे डिपेंड है, इजी इलेक्ट्रॉन रिमूव कर रहा है. तो नेचर एंड स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ मेटल. सेकेंड, नंबर ऑफ वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन. जितने इलेक्ट्रॉन वो लूज कर रहा है, जितने आसानी से इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज कर रहा है उतना ही उसमें पावर उसकी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को कंडक्ट करने की ज़्यादा होगी. थर्ड इज द टेम्परेचर. टेम्परेचर हेयर रोल इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू कंडक्टेंस. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है यहाँ पर, वन लाइन क्वेश्चन. टेम्परेचर और मेटेलिक कंडक्टेंस का इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल रिलेशन है. अदरवाइज generally when we increase temperature conductivity increases. So what happen here? See here this diagram. If we give temperature then vibration of electron and this positive ion both increases. Vibration of both electron and positive ion. When positive ion also vibrate, then it give obstacles from the path in the path of electron. वो तो उसके पाथ में बल्कि रुकावट करेगा ये पॉजिटिव आयन. जितनी आसानी से इलेक्ट्रॉन इसके मूवमेंट के बगैर फ्लो कर रहा था, अगर ये मूवमेंट बढ़ा दे तो इलेक्ट्रॉन अपने वाइब्रेशन बढ़ा दे तो इलेक्ट्रॉन अपना मूवमेंट स्लो कर देगा. सो इफ वी गिव टेम्परेचर, then conductance of metallic conductors decreases. That is all about metallic conductors. Now we move to electrolytic conductor. Yes, now after explaining metallic conductors, we move to electrolytic conductors. Electrolytic conductors are those conductors which are formed by ions like Na plus and Cl minus. When we dissolve it in water or in molten state and electrode is provided here, then Na ion move to the cathode and Cl ion move to the anode, and when we complete the circuit, then electricity can pass. So what happen here? There in electrolytic conductors, movement of ions, due to movement of ions, electricity is conducted. So first point, where in metallic conductors electricity is conducted, why? Because of movement of electron. Here movement of ion. Now factors. First factor is the nature of electrolyte. Electrolytes are of two type, weak and strong. Weak means dissociation is less and strong means more dissociation. If dissociation is less, there are the number of ion is also less. So weak electrolyte, the conduct electricity is less in compared to strong electrolyte. Second is the size of ion. Size of ion, when there is a big size of ion, their solvation is very high, so conductance is also less. It means size of ion and conductors are related to each other inversely. Second point is the size of ion. Third is the nature of solvent. See, nature of solvent. Solvent are of two type, polar and non-polar. When we dissolved ionic compound in a polar solvent like water, what happen? Ions can easily dissociate to each other and movement is increases. When it dissolve in benzene, benzene is a non-polar solvent, then there is no dissociation of ions. So nature of solvent also play important role here. The polar solvent, more dissociation takes place and increases conductivity. Next is the viscosity. More viscosity, then conductance is less because ions are embedded to each other. So it is also inversely proportional. Next is the temperature. I already told you temperature, how play role. When we increase temperature, movement of ion increases. It means mobility of ion increases. तो directly proportional होगी यहाँ पर बात, जबकि metallic में क्या हो गया था, वो inversely proportional था. Next is the concentration. More the concentration, less the conductance. Because if concentration increases, the ions come closer to each other in strong electrolyte. So students, these are the factors that affect to conductance of electrolytic conductors. Thank you.